Have you ever thought about how the colors you wear can impact your image and confidence? The right colors can make you look fresh, vibrant, and youthful, while the wrong ones can make you appear older and drained. In this video, we'll take a look at the colors women over 60 should avoid, and which shades will help you look elegant, youthful, and full of life. Color is more than just a design element. It speaks volumes about who you are. Choosing the right colors can boost your confidence and accentuate your natural beauty. Part 1. Muddy brown. Muddy brown, especially shades like gray brown or dull earth tones, can give off a heavy, lifeless vibe. When you wear these colors, it often feels like your outfit is swallowing you up. The lack of vibrancy in muddy brown can make your look feel flat and uninspiring. While brown may be considered a safe, or neutral that pairs well with many other colors, it doesn't always highlight your natural beauty. Instead, it can make you look washed out, draining the life from your appearance. The main reason to avoid muddy brown is that it tends to make your skin look dull and fatigued. As we age, our skin undergoes changes, and this color can accentuate signs of aging like fine lines or dark circles under your eyes. Its lack of contrast with your complexion makes it harder for your natural radiance to shine through. To remedy this, opt for warmer, richer shades of brown, like chocolate, cinnamon, caramel, or camel. These colors bring a healthy glow to your complexion and offer a more sophisticated and vibrant look. Richer browns reflect light better and complement your skin's natural tone, making you appear fresher and more polished. A simple color change like this can do wonders for your appearance. These warm browns pair beautifully with silver or gray hair, giving you an elegant, modern vibe. With the right tones, your outfit will not only make you look more radiant, but will also elevate your overall presence. Have you ever worn a dull brown and felt like your energy was just sucked out of the room? Try switching it up with warmer shades and see how much more alive and confident you feel. Part 2. Faded black. Black is often considered a magic color because of its ability to hide imperfections and create a chic, elegant look. However, when black fades over time, it can have the opposite effect. Faded black loses its sharpness and depth, making you appear tired and lackluster. Instead of enhancing your features, faded black can draw attention to fine lines and dark circles under your eyes, giving you a worn-out appearance. When you wear faded black, you can immediately feel the difference. The fabric, once vibrant, no longer does justice to your outfit, leaving you looking less refreshed and confident. Faded black, instead of emphasizing your strength and elegance, highlights the signs of aging, making you appear flat and drained. The solution is simple. Swap out faded black for deeper, richer shades like velvet or silk black, or choose high-quality fabrics. These deeper blacks not only retain the elegance black is known for, but also flatter your complexion. Fabrics like velvet or silk create a natural sheen that reflects light better, making your face appear brighter and more radiant. Wearing these fabrics will help you look youthful and full of life, while still maintaining that sophisticated, elegant look. A deep velvet black shirt instead of a faded black one will make you look more vibrant and sharp. Deep blacks help highlight your natural beauty, complement your skin tone, and give you a more polished, powerful look. Choosing rich black fabrics over faded versions will help you maintain a youthful, radiant appearance while still exuding elegance. Part 3. Dirty white. White can be incredibly elegant and sophisticated, but when it starts to yellow or fade, it can make you appear as if you're not taking care of yourself. Over time, white fabrics, especially cotton, can lose their brightness, picking up yellowish stains or becoming dull. This can make your complexion look tired and your overall appearance less vibrant. When white starts to look off, it no longer reflects light in the same way, leaving you looking a bit lackluster. Instead of adding brightness to your face, faded or yellowed white can take away from your natural radiance, making you appear older or less energetic. The solution is simple. Opt for pure, fresh whites like optic white or ivory. These tones not only brighten your complexion, but also enhance the natural glow of your skin. Optic white creates a crisp, clean look, while ivory adds a touch of warmth without looking washed out. Switching to these fresh whites can make a noticeable difference, instantly revitalizing your look and giving your skin a healthy, glowing appearance. Pure white or ivory brings out your natural beauty and gives you a polished, vibrant look that's always in style. Part 4. Neon colors. Neon colors, with their bold, bright hues, often don't suit mature women, especially when they clash with natural skin tones. Neon can draw excessive attention, making you the center of focus, but not always in a flattering way. Instead of highlighting your confidence and sophisticated style, neon can make you appear as though you're trying too hard to look younger. When you wear neon shades, they can create too much contrast against mature skin, making you look unnatural. Although neon is eye-catching, it lacks the subtlety and refinement needed for a polished appearance. Rather than enhancing your look, it can diminish your elegance and make you feel out of place. Instead of neon, opt for softer, more flattering tones like mustard yellow, soft pink, or olive green. These colors not only complement mature skin but also give off a fresh, elegant vibe. Mustard yellow adds warmth and brightness without being overwhelming. Soft pink creates a delicate, feminine look, and olive green offers a grounded, chic feel. Choosing these softer hues will make you look polished and natural without sacrificing your elegance. These colors allow you to shine while maintaining a refined, confident appearance. Part 5. Flat gray. Flat gray, lacking warmth and depth, can make you look dull and drained. This color doesn't reflect light well, which can make your outfit appear lifeless and cause you to blend into the background. When you wear flat gray, it's easy to feel like your natural beauty is overshadowed by the lack of vibrancy, making your skin look tired and your overall appearance lacking energy. Flat gray, with its cold and monotone hue, doesn't provide the necessary contrast with your complexion. It fails to brighten your face or bring out the warmth in your skin, making you look less lively. This effect is especially noticeable when the gray is too plain, lacking texture or richness, which makes you appear flat and uninspired. To replace flat gray, consider opting for softer, more dynamic grays like charcoal gray, heather gray, or taupe. These shades offer depth and warmth, providing a contrast that flat gray lacks. Charcoal gray gives off a strong, powerful vibe, while taupe adds a subtle elegance that complements your skin without overwhelming it. Choosing these softer gray tones will enhance your appearance, adding dimension to your look while still maintaining a refined, sophisticated style. These colors will help you stand out and keep your outfit from blending in with the surroundings, making you appear fresh and full of energy. Part 6. Ashy pastels. Ashy pastels, with their muted tones and lack of depth, can make you look tired and lifeless. While pastels are generally soft and light, when combined with gray undertones, they lack the vibrancy and energy that can truly bring your look to life. These colors can make you appear washed out, as if your natural radiance is being hidden, instead of highlighting your features. These ashy hues can make your complexion look dull, and in some cases, even give the impression that you're not feeling your best. As we age and our skin naturally loses some of its vibrancy, these muted pastels only emphasize that, making you appear fatigued and less energized. The problem is particularly noticeable in older skin, where a lack of contrast with such colors can make you appear even more drained. Instead, opt for brighter, livelier pastel tones like soft pink, lavender, or mint. These shades not only brighten your complexion but also inject a sense of freshness and vitality into your look. Soft pink adds warmth without being overpowering. Lavender, with its subtle blue undertones, brightens up cooler skin tones, and mint gives off a fresh, modern vibe. These colors don't just make you look younger, they also boost your confidence and style. Choosing these vibrant pastels will make you appear fresher and more energetic, giving you a youthful, lively appearance without losing your elegance. These colors help you stand out, giving you a glowing, refined look that's full of life. Part 7. Overly matched outfits. Wearing overly matched outfits where every piece is the same color or shade can make you look flat and sometimes feel restricted or stiff. While matching can create a clean, organized look, too much of it can strip your outfit of versatility and personal flair. It can give the impression of a uniform, lacking the vibrancy and creativity that make a look truly stand out. Focusing too much on matching every detail of your outfit can cause it to lack sophistication and individuality. When everything in your look is the same, it becomes harder for others to see your unique style. It may end up feeling flat or dull, making it harder for your personality and creativity to shine through. Instead of obsessing over perfect coordination, try mixing complementary colors to create harmony while still maintaining a refined element. For example, pair a navy top with beige pants or a green dress with gold accessories. These combinations not only add depth to your outfit but also bring a fresh, modern vibe. By stepping away from the idea of perfect matching, you can create looks that are stylish, personalized, and sophisticated, with enough contrast to show off your unique sense of fashion. Picking the right colors is key to enhancing your beauty and confidence, especially as you get older. The wrong shades can make you look tired and aged, while the right ones can make you appear radiant and graceful. Remember, the colors you wear reflect how you feel about yourself and the image you want to project. Choose shades that highlight your natural beauty and give you confidence in any situation. Which colors in your wardrobe do you think need an upgrade? Share with us and let us know which hues make you feel the most confident. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful fashion tips for women over 60. And make sure to share this video with your friends so they can also shine with smart color choices.